Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of Junior 1 and the subject is English. So look here dear students, class Junior 1 subject English. This is the topic from your annual term. The topic is sentence making 1 to 5. This is lecture number 18 and you have SW also, SW number 10. This is my mobile number. So here students, let's go to the topic sentence making. Today we are going to learn from 1 to 5. Okay, see I have written the words here. First word is tail. First word is tail. So the sentence from tail is the monkey has a long tail. The monkey has a long tail. So that means monkey has a very big tail. So number 1, tail. The monkey has a long tail. Number 2. The number 2 word is nose. The sentence is the elephant has a long nose. The elephant has a long nose. Okay, so the word from the word nose we can make this sentence. The elephant has a long nose. Okay, number 3 word is milk. So the sentence that we can make from milk is the cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. Okay, so number 3 word is milk and the sentence is the cow gives us milk. Okay, see number 4 word is picture. Okay, picture. So the sentence that we can write, I can draw a nice picture. I can draw a nice picture. Okay, so from the word picture we can make this sentence, I can draw a nice picture. Okay, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Then number 5 word is jam. Okay, jam or jelly. So jam. The sentence with jam is I like to eat jam. Alright, I like to eat jam. Okay, so I am going to repeat the sentences again. Number 1, tail. The monkey has a long tail. The monkey has a long tail. Number 2, nose. The elephant has a long nose. The elephant has a long nose. Okay. Number 3, milk. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. Okay, number 4, picture. I can draw a nice picture. Picture, I can draw a nice picture. Okay, number 5, jam. I like to eat jam. Number 5, jam. I like to eat jam. Okay, so these are the sentences from these 5 words. Dear students, you have to learn these 5 sentences very well and don't forget to put full stop after each sentence. So I hope you will learn this lesson very well at home. Practice this more and more at home and do the SW also. You have to do these 5 sentences in your SW. Okay dear students, so see you in the next class. Goodbye.